Hello, we are in downtown Tampa going for Riverwalk. We're going on the riverboat.
Harbor Island. You guys are gonna hop off of this boat. Wait on the dock on the right-hand side, underneath the sign that says Island Loop. And as soon as that boat and crew is ready for you, they'll bring you guys on down. If you stay on this,
we're going to change to another boat.
You're going to hop off here, go over to the line on the right hand side under the sign that says Island Loop, and when they're ready to board, they will get you on.
Did you have fun? You like it? Yeah, be about fun. Okay, great.
arena in the NHL and the well, next to the arena you're going to see news in downtown Tampa last year and your purchase. So if you guys are looking for a more high-end dining experience and I want to check out craft, it's a bowling alley inside. Now for teachers, add a person to the cabin for $200. The American Victory ship was built in just 55 days. There's a lightning bolt painted into the pattern on the boat, and that is because Tampa is the lightning capital of this port in the state of Florida. That's by size and by tonnage. And right now, that's how they are able to access underneath those boats to do any maintenance that's needed. And they took all of that material and put it onto Harbor Island. So that they were just voted in the top 4 for best neighborhoods in the country. Improvement store like Lowe's or Home Depot. If you've seen or heard of the brand Quikrete, those around the world, and 5 of them are found here in Tampa Bay. And then for the bird tanks that you see, you'll notice aren't quite as pretty as the Citgo ones, and they're actually very rusty. They can't really extend the runways to accommodate the larger passenger. A lot of the bigger houses that are on Harbor Island, the reason why they're on billionaire has plans to knock it down.
back to the old boat. Okay. We're going to our last stop.
The next to that is our NBC station, WFLA. I suggest you duck. That's none of my business. I'm just looking out for $5 a night. You only saw it on once whenever the Rough Riders came through at the beginning. Side of the boat. Have a good one, you guys.
That's all I have for the video today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.